Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Skills Hub. This is where you get tips and tricks about Power BI. In one of my recent project, there was a requirement to display the values between lakhs and crores. The user wanted to have a switch between the two because this was an Indian client. This was the requirement. But how do we achieve it? If you know, Power BI doesn't support our Indian units. It's more of US units like millions, billions, and in thousands. How do we implement it? It's what we will see today. First step, create a table where you have the two units. You can see here lakhs type. I cannot zoom this, but this is having two values, lakhs and crores. Step number two, add a simple slicer and select this currency type table as an input. Make it as single selection and also the type as tile. And remove the response type, responsive to no, so that we can arrange it properly the size we want. Next, we want lakhs first. So do the sorting in the descending order. So you see lakhs and crores. Now this is my table, test table, which contains the revenue data where I have some random values present here. And I need to provide the switch to display this value in lakhs or crores. Next step is, first we have to create a measure which gives us the value in lakhs and crores. So right click on any of the table and click on new measure. And this is the formula what we need to use to display the value. So to save the time, I'm already going to put the formula here. Let me zoom it and explain you what is that I'm doing here. So first we are getting the value of our slicer, that is selected unit, by using selected value, and by default we are setting it to lakhs. Then I'm finding the sum of revenue, and to get the value in lakhs, you divide by lakh. To get the value in crore, you divide by crore. Next, when you are returning the value, check what is the selected unit. If it is lakhs, return the value in lakhs, else return the value in crores. It's a simple formula to calculate the value based on lakhs and crores and returning the value based on my slicer input. Now to check this, let me add a slicer. So I'll just put it next to here and I'm going to select the newly created measure. Now you see this value, it is showing in crores, and when I switch to lakhs, it will show the values in lakhs. So this is how we can do it with simple steps. I hope this video was useful for you. If you want to learn Power BI, to register and enroll to one of my classes where I'll be teaching you basics as well as advanced topics of Power BI. The details are provided in the description. Thank you so much for watching the video and do follow me for more such tips and tricks in Power BI. Thank you. Bye-bye.